What's up, everybody? It's Friday night. We're out hanging out in the garage. There's the garage. There's the kiddos. Cleaning up the garage a little bit. 66 is out. Just washed it. Beautiful night. Sun just went down a little while ago. And what I want to just show everybody is I got my signal's working. Today had a weird electrical issue. They never worked, and there was a wire that was unplugged. Took me a while to figure it out, but I figured it out. Got the lights up in here working good, so that's all lit up. There she goes. The indicators inside are not working on the dash, but oh well. We'll figure that out another day. But as long as I can signal out in public, people don't give me a middle finger, it's always a good night. So there you go. I got that guy working, which I'm actually really happy about. Coming over here on this side, got the rear working. Oh yeah. Come back inside. Let's get the left signal working. Oh, look at that. The indicator's actually working on here. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see. I could be wrong. No, see, the right's not working. So the left indicator is working. My bad. I couldn't see it in the daytime. It was too bright, but it's working. Sweet. Alright, let's check it out. Boom. Let's go back to the rear of the car. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. The reverse lights are not working, so when I put it in reverse, that's still something I need to figure out and go from there. But knocking little projects out like that as I go. Dome light's working. It's not very bright. I'm thinking about maybe going to LED to give it a little bit more brighter look, although I don't like LED lights myself, but if it's brighter, it will help. I think that's it for now. Oh yeah, one more thing I wanted to show everybody was my high beams. Let me go back, sorry. Let me turn on my high beams over here. Go down here, click on the old high beams, and what I found out was just kind of doing a light check is that high beam to the right, driver's side is working, depending on where you're looking at. The one on the left wasn't working. So I said, never really noticed. Opened all this up, and you know what I found? That a rock or something must have hit this light, cracked it. So, anyways, I kind of ordered one, considering we're all in the quarantine lockdown stuff, and I don't know if AutoZone and Cragen and places like that or O'Reilly's are open. I'll call them tomorrow, see if they're around, and I can go pick it up, swap it out. If not, I'll order it online. But yeah, man, so that was cool. Was able to get that working. So got high beams at least all chilling, working. Fixed my indicator lights down there. They were kind of not positioned properly. And you probably can't see too much, but anyways, I got all that squared away, so it's looking legit. All right, everybody, have a good night, and hopefully get some more videos tomorrow. Bye now.